Hi, my loves! Welcome to my kitchen. Happy Christmas! Merry Christmas, my loves! Some of you, my love, are very excited na sa Christmas Day. I am very excited too, kaya I'm ready na sa Christmas natin. And to this video, my love, in my kitchen, I have a very special guest, my love. Nag-request talaga sila na gusto silang sasali sa kitchen ko. Kaya, hindi na natin patagalin dahil natagalan na ako ng dahil sa kanila. Please welcome the sisters! It's my kitchen hand. So, what's your name?
Poppy Kimmy here Smith.
How about you?
Tyra Jasmine Smith.
So, do you know what we're gonna do today?
We're doing the cooking side and baking some cooking. Yeah, like some cookies.
Okay, so we're gonna bake some cookies, my love. So this cookies, my love.
Christmas.
Oh yes, for Christmas. So this cookies, my love, it's really healthy cookies, my love, because it's made of love now. So these cookies we're gonna use porridge, which is the oat milk.
That's my favorite.
Let me talk first. Okay, this we're gonna use the off. We're gonna use this one, and of course we're gonna use the what do you call that one? We're gonna use the cornflakes as well. So we're gonna use cornflakes, my loves. So we're gonna use cornflakes and the oath. Okay. So 1 cup of cornflakes and 1 cup of
Porridge.
oath.
What's else?
Oath. The
Porridge is my
oath,
favorite.
which is the porridge. Okay. So, okay. Interrupt pa man ni sila. Oy. Okay. So it's your turn. Can you please put it here? Okay. How about you? There you go. Okay. Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Yeah? No, you're not washing your hands. They're not washing your hands. But anyway, sila lang kakain. Walang problema yan. Okay. So, my love, nawala na ako sa concentration ko, my love, kasi ang mag-interrupt pa man sila. So, my love, we're gonna use, and of course, we're gonna use, what do you call this one?
Rice.
No, this is not rice. This is the, desiccated coconut, my love, which is 1/4 cup. To 1/4 cup, and we're gonna mix it. We're gonna mix it.
Can I mix it?
Okay. Mix it. Okay, it's your turn to mix it, my loves.
One more.
Well done. Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my channel of blessing. So, nakalimutan ko sabihin, my love, na kailangan pala durugin natin yung cornflakes. Dinurog na nila, my love, ha? Dito, my love. Okay, ngayon, ang importante talaga sa my love na during school holidays, kailangan din natin mag-bonding sa ating mga anak. Okay? Kahit minsan nakakainis sila, sarap ako nun, pero kailangan talaga natin, bigyan din natin sila pansin. Okay? Hindi lang palagi na nakapanood ng TV, palagi naka-gadget, dapat you need to banding your daughter and your son. Okay? See, you need to banding your, Yeah. So you need to spend time with them, my love. So that's the most important, being a mom, that during school holidays, that you need to spend time with them, or cooking, or maybe like like doing gardening or like this, even just simple like this, my love. Let's mix them, entertain themselves. Tama ba sinasabi ko? Okay. So, my love, are you enjoying doing that? At the same time, my love, na-enjoy talaga nila. Akala nila naglaro-laro sila, pero ako, hindi ako naglaro, my love. Ha? Seryoso ako. O, sige na, you're done? No, okay na, that's enough. Okay, next, my love. Yung mga dry ingredients natin, yung all dry ingredients, na bulol na ako. So, i-mix mo lang lahat, halo-halo mo na, halo-halo. Hey, wait. So, ngayon, my love, say, hey, are you listening to me? Okay, so we're gonna put 1/3 of sugar. Okay, 1/3 cup of sugar, okay? So, can you please hold it for me, my loves? Hold it for me. Okay? Okay? Okay. So, yeah. Okay, it's very chaos. So, 1/3 cup sugar. Wait. Okay, I'll do it. Just hold it. Okay, 1/3 cup sugar. Okay. Wait, sir. 1/3 cup sugar. And, hey, my love. Yeah, it's very enjoyable, my love, if you're gonna spend time with them. At the same time, it's a little bit, alam yun na. But anyway, as long as that you enjoy and they enjoy as well, so that's the most important, my love. So, and then, okay, Popsy, okay, you put the lid back na ate. Okay, so you put it back here. You put it back, you mix it. Okay, and then you mix it, my love. You mix it. Put the lid back, please. Hala, makakuan ba na? Makatog to yung kulo na. You're gonna bitok-bitok yung tummy. Okay, you mix it. So you're gonna mix all the dry ingredients. Alright. Before anything else, my love, kaya nakalimutan ko. So you need to turn on your oven 100 Celsius degrees. Okay, make it sure na bago nyo ilagay ito, yung mainit na yung oven. Okay, so next. So we're gonna, honey, my love. So sweet. You can use honey as well, but because I don't have honey, so I'm gonna use golden syrup I'm gonna use the 1/2 of butter. Okay, hang on, wait a minute. Come on. Actually, you can use margarine as well, or margarine. How do you say that? Margarine, or what? Margarine. But I'm using the real butter, my love. Masarap kasi yung pag real butter ang gagamitin mo. Okay, so hang on, my love, hang on. Okay, 1/3 cup of butter. 1 cup of butter, my love. Ito ang request nila kasi, my love, na gusto daw sila sasama sa vlog ko. Ayan na, chaos na, di ba? I-enjoy mo na lang, my love. Huwag mo na mabalatan na stress ka na. Alam mo na yun. Okay. So, ayan na nga. At saka, ito na my love. Hindi ko alam kung tama na itong measurement kasi ang na sila, ang ingay-ingay. Nagtrubo na kami dito. So, ilagay natin yung 1 tablespoon of syrup. Okay. I'll do it, my love. It's very kuan. Yan, there you go. Okay, so, yan. So, after i-melt natin siya, siguro atong ilagay natin sa microwave para mabilis ang iyang wet. Para mabilis. No, it's not in the oven. We're gonna put it in the microwave para mag-melt siya. Ilagay natin sa microwave, my love.
It's gonna be so yummy, isn't it?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Okay.
We're gonna have the sponge cake. My favorite.
Okay, my love. So we're gonna put it in the microwave. Pasensyahan nyo na, my love, ha? Alam nyo naman, slangers ako. We're gonna put it. Sige.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, ate, no? Let ate to preset. Preset once. Okay. So, na po ang atiyang butter at saka yung golden syrup natin, my love. So, medyo, ano siya, medyo matabang siya. So, lagyan ko lang munang konti. Alam niyo, kayo na, sabi ko sa iyo, kayo na mag-adjust yan kung gusto niyo ba ng masarap, yung masamis-tamis. Okay? It's very healthy, my love. This is really good for cup of tea. You know, like morning tea, afternoon tea, evening tea, tea. Yan, masarap ito, my love.
We're making cookies.
Yeah. Muna sila, i-mix muna sila. Ah, hey. Okay.
Mommy, this is one.
There you go.
What?
Ako na lang mag-adjust. Sige. Okay, Papsi, do you want to mix it? It's a Pepsi's turn. Okay. Yan. Okay, it's Mommy's turn. It's Mommy's turn. Good job, girls.
Orange turn.
Mommy's turn. So, my love, we just gonna mix it well. Just mix it, you know. There you go. Ito na sa kalabasan natin siya, my love. Okay. So, and then kung na-mix na po sila, my love, ilagay natin sa ating cooking dish. My love, so ilagay lang natin siya.
Gingerbread, Mommy.
Wait a minute, make gingerbread.
Gingerbread cookie. Remember Volt's grandpa? Yeah, and that's the cookie she's gonna make.
So, i-flat mo lang siya mabuti, my love. Actually, first time ko itong gawin. Alam mo naman, expert ako sa ganitong bagay. Kaya may dalawa na ako at 3 chikiting na pala. Hi. There you go. Okay. So, we're gonna wait for 25 minutes hanggang maluto siya.
Guys, make sure you subscribe our channel. Hit the bell button so that you won't miss any of my videos. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you guys later. Bye. And also make the best food. Sponge cake. Bye.
So, my love, ito na po yung ating oath honey slice. Oath honey slice or oath honey
Yummy.
cookies. There you go, my love. So, this is our oath honey slice cookie. Actually, it's not a slice cookie. It's a cookie. I called it cookie, but you can't slice it. So we're gonna try to slice it, my love.
She already sliced it. It's Grandpa's cookies. Yeah.
It's Grandpa's cookies.
Yeah.
So medyo.
One mini fork.
Oh yeah, look at this. It's really.
Come out by mini fork.
It's really crunchy, my love. It's very, very crunchy.
Very crunchy.
Good for the cup of tea.
For morning tea.
Morning tea, afternoon tea, and evening tea. Papsi, really healthy and yummy.
And stronger.
Make you strong
and feel your strength up.
and healthy.
And it makes you fast. It makes you. And next time, if you
Good
try.
for you, my love.
Thank you.
And one for you, ate. So, let's taste it. Mmm.
Yum. Good. No. Sorry.
Yummy?
Uh-huh.
So, look at this texture, my love. It's really yummy. Definitely, I recommend this one, my love. It's really good for snacks, for lunch. Ug makabusog sa di siya kay. Oh, yeah.
Mommy, I want it for my lunch.
Okay. She wanted for her lunch. How about you, ate? Do you want it for your lunch as well? You want two?
Mm-hmm.
You want two?
Yeah.
So, I recommend it to you, my love, if you have anakins. So, try it with your anakins and get back to me as long as you can. As long as you got English yun, my love. Galing yun sa sa utak ko. So,
Really good.
don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell for notification. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Remember, be happy because health is wealth.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Oh.